In this short video, we're going to have a look at how to use time expressions in a sentence. What are time expressions? These are words and expressions like once a week, in the morning, at the weekend, after work, etc. We've already seen that adverbs of frequency go before the verb or after the verb to be. For example, I always have cereal and coffee for breakfast. I am always tired. But time expressions go at the beginning or the end of the sentence. I would recommend at the end of the sentence as it's more typical. For example, I always have cereal and coffee for breakfast in the morning. I am always tired after work. The problem is that in other languages, like Spanish, the time expression is sometimes put after the verb. This is not correct in English. So you cannot say, I always have in the morning cereal and coffee for breakfast, or I am after work always tired. And that's it. If you put these expressions at the end of the sentence, you can't make a mistake. One last thing, the expression how often do you is very common in English, but causes some students problems. In Spanish, it translates to con qué frecuencia. So you could ask, how often do you eat fast food? I probably only eat it once a year.